Imagine a hospital where patient deaths suddenly started increasing. No one knew why. Same doctors, same equipment, same procedures. But something felt off. Then a nurse noticed something strange. The hand sanitizer dispensers had been moved. They were no longer near the patient's beds. So doctors weren't using them as often. It wasn't about skill. It wasn't about intelligence. It was about visibility. And that's exactly what Chapter 4 teaches. In Chapter 4, James Clear explains the first law of behavior change. Make it obvious. Every habit starts with a cue, and the more obvious the cue, the more likely the habit happens. You don't check your phone randomly. You see it. You don't snack randomly. It's visible. You don't forget the gym randomly. There's no visible reminder. The environment shapes behavior more than motivation. Here's a simple example. If you want to drink more water, don't rely on willpower. Place a water bottle on your desk. If you want to read more, leave a book on your pillow. If you want to practice guitar, keep it in the middle of the room. Visibility creates action. James Clear calls this the Habit Scorecard. Write down your daily habits. List them honestly. Wake up, check phone, brush teeth, scroll Instagram, coffee, rush. When you see your habits clearly, you can finally change them, because awareness comes before improvement. Here's the key insight. The human brain is constantly scanning for cues, and it responds to what stands out. So instead of trying to fight your habits, design your environment. Make good habits obvious. Make bad habits invisible. Hide junk food. Turn off notifications. Keep distractions out of sight. Because what you see daily becomes what you do daily. Chapter 4's lesson is simple. Change what's visible, and behavior changes automatically. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to make habits attractive. Subscribe to ChapterWise. One chapter a day. Change your life today.